Hi everyone. The Heritage Classic 114 Anniversary, limited to 1,700 examples and costing $22,699, a $650 premium over the two-tone option. Introducing the 2023 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic Anniversary. The show-stopping Heritage Classic 114 model takes to the stage in a stunning, extremely limited edition that commemorates 120 years of Harley-Davidson. The refined finishes, modern edge and reinvigorated ride of the Heritage Classic model take nostalgia ripping into the here and now. The Heritage Classic comes in two finishes from the factory. Make noise with the Milwaukee-Eight 107 with classic chrome style from the engine to the steel-laced wheels, or the 114 that comes with blacked-out finishes. Rock and roll on two wheels. A showstopper. Experience endless miles of Milwaukee-Eight V-Twin power. The quintessential American cruiser. Show-stopping vintage details and pure rock and roll style. 2023 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic Anniversary features and benefits. The pursuit of adventure begins with a ride on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Make any weekend epic. Turn your commute into a daily thrill seeker. A Harley-Davidson blows things wide open. Pure freedom. As big and real as it gets. Authentic heritage meets modern technology for power, style, and the unadulterated riding experience, around town or along country roads. Milwaukee-Eight V-Twin engine. A powerful, cool-running engine with crisp throttle response and that classic Harley sound. High-performance rear monoshock. Easily adjustable monoshock rear suspension allows for dynamic cornering capability while preserving the hardtail look. Detachable windscreen. Go from touring to cruising in a heartbeat. Leave the screen on for the long haul or remove it in seconds for a completely new look and ride. Lockable and sealed saddlebags. Sleek and roomy with enough space to stash your riding essentials. Daymaker signature LED forward lighting. A brilliant LED lamp that produces a bright natural daylight color beam that lights up the surroundings. 2023 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic Anniversary key features. A momentous occasion deserves something truly unique. The anniversary collection is that and more. 6 limited edition, serialized motorcycle models featuring commemorative paint, finishes and premium features that celebrate 120 years of Harley-Davidson pride and craftsmanship. Bold 120th anniversary themed paint. Upright riding position. Floorboards. Passenger seat. Saddlebags. Detachable windshield. Riders ready to chase excitement across state lines. Highway riding with full fenders and detachable windscreen. Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-Twin engine and steel-laced wheels. Thanks for watching.